Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us. Monica Swamy, principal of Podar World School, Jaipur, shared her thoughts on the importance of teacher qualities in today's world. She emphasized that while subject knowledge is crucial, understanding students' learning styles and adapting lessons to suit different learners is key. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special guest. She is Miss Monica Swamy, Principal of Podar World School, Jaipur. Welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's your experience being here?
Thank you so much. Actually, I'm feeling very happy because here we get exposure to different kind of panel discussions where we
Right.
get the knowledge
Mhm.
as well as different kind of technologies which are emerging right now. So we get the knowledge about that as well.
Right. Great, ma'am. So, as we're talking about different topics today, so one of them is, leader in teacher training. So, in your opinion, what qualities do you believe that define a, successful teacher in today's world?
Okay, being principal, I'm having experience 5 years as well as I was teacher before that for 7 years.
Right.
Being a successful teacher, I suppose subject knowledge is the primary thing that is separate, but understanding the student is the
Right.
most important thing because just delivering the lesson in the classes is not merely the duty of the teacher.
Right.
They have to understand, they have to think about the pace of the child, where the child is understanding the concepts or not,
Right.
and just taking all kind of learners together is the main role of the teacher.
Absolutely. So now we're talking about how teachers have to prepare themselves. So do you have any specific advice or some kind of teaching you want to tell the teachers of today who are dealing with technology, especially after the pandemic struck and we were just forced to get hands on the technology. So any views on that?
Nowadays, after this pandemic, before that, though, teachers were not very versed with the technology, but
Right.
pandemic teaches us a lot of things, and now even our Hindi teachers are really very well versed with the technology. So, but every time you have different technologies are coming, every time you have to learn something so that it could help the student to learn better. Nowadays we are having different kind of learners with us. Auditory learners are there, visual learners are there.
Right.
Everybody is not learning only by saying something in the classes. So teacher has to adapt different kind of AI tools as well, so that students can relate themselves with the education, because the lecture type teaching is very boring nowadays and students are not liking it. So make your lesson planner so that every kind of learner could be uh, go with the flow.
Absolutely, ma'am. Any specific example from your school you want to mention?
See, we are having all kind of our lesson planners digitally, and in all the classes we have um, this projectors and all, and our lesson planner is having detailed presentation where all kind of videos has to play, and they have to see everything visually. Not only the lecture method is there, so that involve the student very much.
Right, absolutely. And I think that's the need of the hour. And thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your views. We are absolutely delighted to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp for updates on the EduLeaders show, featuring inspiring interviews from the education sector.